Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Holmes again. Today we're doing Fundations Unit 8, Day 5. And today we have our Unit 8 test. Make sure you write an 8 in your name right here at the top of your paper. And before we begin, let's go through some sounds just to review. O-R, horn, or. And boys and girls, remember that O-R can also be spelled O-R-E. So O-R-E, corn or. I'm sorry, O-R-E, shore or. A-R, car, R. E-R, her, U-R, burn, I-R, bird, Let's do the long vowel I sounds. I, hi, I pine, I cry, I. And the long U sounds. You flew, you pupil, you rule, you rescue, you rescue, you, and you blue, It's two sounds. It can be the oo sound or the flu sound, or the flu sound or the u sound, depending on which sound of you are using. Okay. Let's begin with our first sound. Echo me. Right here at number 1. Number 1, echo me. I. Write the 3 long sounds for I. 3 ways you can write the long sound of I. Number 2, echo me. You. Write the 2 ways to make the sound of long U. I'm sorry, 3 ways. 3 ways to make the sound of long U. If you need to pause the video, you can. Number 3, echo me. R. Make the R controlled vowel sound for car, R. R. Number 4, echo me. Or. Write the 2 ways to make the R controlled sound for or. And number 5, qua. Write the 2 letters that stuck together make the sound of qua. Okay, moving on to the words. Now we have to mark the words. Number 1, echo me. Reported. First syllable, re, second syllable, port, suffix, id. Reported. Write the word and mark it, please. Pause the video until you're ready. Welcome back. Ready for word number 2. Echo me. Explore. First syllable, X. Second syllable, plore. I like to explore the woods. Explore. Write the word and mark it. Explore. Okay, number 3. Echo me. Scar. I got a scar on my knee. Scar. Be sure you circle the R controlled vowel sound and mark the syllable. Scar. Number 4. Echo me. Garlic. First syllable, gar. Second syllable, lick. Garlic. Write the word garlic. I like to put garlic on my French toast when I have spaghetti. Garlic. Make sure you mark the syllables and the R-controlled vowels. Number 5, echo me. Porches. If more than one porch is called porches. I like to sit on the porch. Some houses have two porches, a front porch and a back porch. Although more often we have decks. Porches. Make sure you mark the suffix. Make sure you mark the R-controlled vowel. Okay, pause the video if you need more time. Okay, number 1 at the bottom. Number 1, echo me. Now this is a trick word, so we don't have to mark it. Echo me. World. World. Where do you live in the world? We live in the United States. World. World. Write the word world. Trick word number 2, echo me. Answer. Write the answer to your question. Answer. All right, when you're ready for the sentences, turn your paper over. Okay, our first sentence has 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 words. Okay, echo me. The army marched to many different spots. The army marched to many different spots. This goes on number 1. The army marched to many different spots. You may pause the video or rewind it to play it again if you need it. The army marched to many different spots. Make sure your sentence begins with a capital and ends with a period. The army marched to many different spots. Count your words. 7 words. The army marched to many different spots. Okay, sentence number 2. This one has 8 words. Okay, here's the words. That part of the world has more storms. That part of the world has more storms. That part of the world has more storms. Pause the video if you need to. All right, now before you turn your paper in, you need to check to make sure you have capital letters to begin the sentences. You need periods at the end. Check for periods. Now let's go back and reread the sentence. The army marched to many different spots. And sentence number 2, that part of the world has more storms. Okay, when you're ready, give your teacher your paper. And I hope you did well. And I'll see you next time.